Hi, Misha. How are you?
Hi.
Everybody. As always, I've got a problem.
Okay, I see two numbers up there.
Yeah.
What are we supposed to do with
I'm
them?
supposed to multiply these numbers. Multiply. How? So the first thing is the big number on the top. Okay, so yes, 48 on the top, and then we're going to multiply 12.
Okay.
But now what do I do? Like, these are big numbers. I'm like, oh, gosh.
I think I might know this.
Okay.
I hope I might know this. So I remember, like it's kind of like almost like we do like a crisscross type thing. So
Ooh.
yeah, it's really cool how it works. So first we're gonna start with the 2 because it's in the ones place. So we say 2 times 8. What's 2 times 8?
16.
Okay.
Okay.
You remember how we have to carry the 1?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to put, and where are you going to carry the 1 to? You're going to carry the 1 up over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, here.
Okay. So now we have 2 times 4. 2 times 4.
8.
8 plus 1 more.
9.
Okay. Now,
so it's this way,
then this way. And if this way we have more than 10, then we have to put that number over here, the one that's in the tens place. Okay. Now it gets a little tricky. Okay.
I knew that was a scary one.
But you know what? It's okay. Because this is if you just remember these little things, it's gonna all work together. So now right here underneath the 6, I want you to put a 0. It's kind of like
why?
Because it's gonna hold its place. It's like nobody can go here because that helps you to remember that you don't put a number here. So you put a 0 there.
But I don't get it.
Okay. So now, because that's the ones place, right? We already did the ones place.
We're gonna be doing the tens places.
The tens place.
Oh, that's why you put the 0, because we're not doing ones anymore.
Because some people they get confused and then they start doing it here, and then they get the wrong answer at the end.
So can I make a note? I want to put a note here, just saying ones.
Okay.
And then a note here saying tens.
Okay.
I think that might help my brain.
Okay. I think this one's going to be a little bit easier too.
Okay.
We have 1 times 8.
Oh, that's 8.
8.
Okay.
So underneath the 9 there.
Okay.
And now 1 times 4.
That's 4.
That's 4.
Those are my favorite multiplication tables.
Okay. We're not done yet.
Oh.
Because when you do a multiplication problem like this, you don't just do multiplication. You also have to add. It's silly, but you have to add. So now put a line here because we're going to add those numbers together. Now, this does not follow the rules, does it?
No.
Because the numbers they're kind of flipped.
Yeah.
But when we add the numbers together, doing it this way, I think.
Okay.
I think we're going to be okay.
Should I put an addition sign here?
Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Where do we start? We start at the ones place.
Yeah,
okay.
So 6 plus 0 is 6.
Okay.
9 plus 8, 17.
Okay, so 17. It's got 2 numbers. What number is going to go here? Just like up here. What number is going to go here?
Well, not 1 7?
No. We have to just put the one that's in the ones place here, remember? Because the 10, it's higher than 10, so the 1 has to go up over here.
Okay.
4 plus 1.
5.
And there's your answer.
Okay. All right. It was
That was hard.
It was hard,
Yeah.
but I think I think we can. I think I can remember. So I think like the multiplication sign, that X, because it's first it's straight up and down, and then it's to the side, and then here it's to the side, and then it's straight up and down.
That's why I said it's like a crisscross.
Yeah. So let me put this over here. So it's like so I won't think they're numbers. So so up and down, over, up and down. Oh, okay. That's going to be hard to keep in my head, but I'm going to practice and I'm going to think about it. Okay.
Takes some time to practice that, yes.
Okay. I think.
Did you think we did it
What
correctly?
do you think?
I hope we did it correctly, but I think so.
All right, let's use your logic. Shark plus shark equals 70. Now remember, again, it's going to be the same number. Okay, so now that shark number plus squid equals 85. Okay. Squid times octopus equals 200. Wow, that's a pretty big number. All right, octopus times shark. Take away squid. I know you can do it.